This terrifying camping discovery will make you never enter the woods again. It was a rainy Saturday night, and I couldn't sleep. As the minutes ticked by, I got more and more desperate. I decided to take a walk in the rain. That's when I saw a long, black object in the middle of the street. I assumed it was a bag, but as I got closer, I realized it was a person. I should have kept walking, but something made me stop. I don't know if it was the fact that he was wearing a dark plaid shirt and black pants, or the blood that was slowly dripping out of his mouth. As I approached, he suddenly sat up and began running towards me. I turned and ran in the opposite direction. That's when I heard him scream, "I'll kill you," as he chased after me. I ran and ran until I finally hid behind a large tree. I waited there for what felt like hours until I finally gathered the courage to run home. To this day, I still don't know what that creature was doing in the middle of the road.